Ready? Not ready? We came skidding into position here this morning to bring to you our Facebook Live. It's been a crazy morning. We got new furniture. We've got lots of people coming and going. But today we are going to show you all things baby. So we have a new line, a flannel line, a baby flannel line called Doodle Baby. This is from Benartex. And behind me you can see the samples. So these are the bolts, including the border stripe print. And this is the intention to put it together in this adorably soft baby quilt. Neutral colors, teals, greens, yellows, blues. It's beautiful, very quick to make. This is just strips, 2.5 strips. This one I think is 5.5 because of this border. And then the bunny rabbits on top and bottom. We have this kit available for purchase, and you're going to be surprised at how low the price is. It's so low that you could buy 2 quilts. You could strip piece this on the long arm, just straight to the backing, no batting. Strip piece it the same way on your domestic, like a quilt as you go, really. You just have the backing piece. You could make 2 matching front and back and do a rag quilt. Vicky's got a ton of ideas that you can do with this to make it a little more interesting than just a straight stripped baby quilt. But let's remember, straight strip piecing, that is fast and done.
And it feels really good.
And it feels so soft here. You're going to love it. So that is our new line of baby flannel. I love the bees myself. They're adorable. Bees and bunnies and turtles. Who can go wrong? Okay. So
you need a hippopotamus.
A hippopotamus would be adorable too, Jane. Okay, and Jane's informing me that our new boy-girl quilt, it's a boy from Riley Blake, has the hippopotamus. Look how adorable he is. So this, if you'll remember, we had a kit called It's a Girl. In fact, I have the sample here. We have a couple of the quilts and a few panels left and the supporting bolts left. If you want to make It's a Girl, adorable and trendy with the peach color, or It's a Boy, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So we have these kits cut and ready for you to pick up today. Rush right in. Here's the girl kit. Here's the boy kit. I have a favorite. I don't know if I should share with you.
You will.
I love the little boy quilt, Jane. Thank you. I just love the colors in that little boy quilt. Remember, we also have farm babies. This one's cotton, and it is cute little farm animals. I don't know if you can get close in there, but it's got the sheep and the chicks and the little baby cow. He's adorable. And it's a simple star quilt pattern, so 12 blocks, easy stars to do, half square triangles. This line is adorable too, and it's also up on the wall. So if you want to make a quick pattern with one of our little Rosa patterns, or if you want this kit, these are available up front. Oh, here's some farm baby. Amy brought that farm baby for me to show you. This is the panel. Is it right side up?
Yes, yep.
Is the cow there?
Yep, the cow's on there.
Oh my God, the cow's adorable. And the little pig with the chick on its head. I love that. I'm partial to the lambs too because, well, I wanted to have sheep on my farm. So sunflowers, really adorable fabric. So baby Doodle Baby, flannel. Baby Riley Blake, It's a Girl and It's a Boy. And Baby Farm. That's Henry Glass baby or farm babies. Now, we do have a few left of our mixed fat quarter bundles, and we are putting these on sale. There's just very limited quantity. So if you want one, I suggest you comment right now. This is a fat quarter bundle that has both big girl and boy in it. And we have separated them into girl and boy, 10 fat quarters, and I'm gonna put them on sale for 20 bucks. So that's $2 a fat quarter. You cannot beat
That's
this.
unbelievable.
But I don't have hardly any, Jane. So these are going to be on sale until they're gone. Very few of them left. That might be all. I thought for sure this was going to take all morning. Let's talk about the brackets, right? Behind me and under these quilts are the brackets. We have played our final 4 games and we have not announced the winners. So Vicki and I later today are going to make another Facebook Live, but make sure you have your notifications on so you know when we get live, because when we go live today, we're going to announce the final 2 teams that are going to battle for the winner. And we are keeping track of our brackets, so remember you don't have to have a bracket to vote. And I think that's all I've got today. Gosh, that was only 7 minutes. You want me to talk about something else?
That's okay.
I will tell you that I put Elizabeth Hartman on sale, 40% off, including that Star Systems quilt, which would be a great gift for a grandson. Now that summer's coming and they're going to be out gazing the sky. Thank you guys for joining us. Have a great day.